Now, if the tester simply doesn't turn on when we connect, we hear no beep, it doesn't turn on, we know we've got good connection quality. Could be one of two things. You can see here that I've got the polarity reversed. So number one, you might have reversed polarity. Tester beeps and turns on. Or the voltage in the battery might be so low that the tester won't turn on. If the voltage is less than 5 volts in the battery, the tester won't even turn on. So you could use a simple multimeter to determine if the voltage is less than 5 volts. If you become convinced that there is something wrong with the tester, be it measuring the wrong CCA, providing the wrong answer, we are available to answer your questions and to help process a return if needed. You can contact us through our website at argusanalyzers.com or our phone number 401-398-2959 and select technical support. We certainly will provide a replacement tester if there's something wrong.